Happy birthday.
Happy. And then we say, turn around is special, okay?
Okay.
And then turn around, okay?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lynn and Tad. Happy birthday to you. You're special, special. Everybody's special. Everybody is you. You are special, special. Everybody's special. Everybody is you.
Brava. O, give a kiss to Grandma.
Turn
Taj.
around,
Meron pa.
turn around. Show me your face, your face, your face. No.
Okay, say.
Turn
Okay.
around, turn around. Show me your face, your face, your face.
Yay!
Turn around. Show me your face, your face, your face.
Okay, give a kiss to Grandma Taj. Love you, Grandma Taj.
Love you, Grandma Tad.
Oh, give a kiss.
Hello. Have a wonderful time and a very happy birthday.
God bless you more.
Aine, happy birthday! Sa wakas, matitikman mo na ang discount ng senior citizen. Kaya lang, dito lang sa Pinas yan. Hindi mo yan makukuha dyan. Dito lang sa Pinas yan. Once again, happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday, Tajin! Happy birthday, Tajin! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tajin! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Ano ba?
Happy 60th birthday, Grandma Taj. I pray na you have a good, healthy living life dyan sa Dubai. I pray na you find more happiness sa iyong mga pamangkin, and especially sa mga iyong mga apo. Happy birthday ulit. Happy 60th birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tajin! We wish you all the best on your special day. We love you! Hindi mo alam ang bilog yun.
Happy birthday, Tajin!
Love you.
Love you.
God
Good
bless.
health. Welcome sa senior citizen.
Tanda mo na.
Enjoy!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Grandma Taj. Good health always. Love you. Mama Chup Chup.
Happy birthday, Tajin!
Good health po. Tajin, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Ang wish po namin ay sana po lahat po ng wish ng bawat isa ay matupad. Happy birthday ulit, Tajin. Thank you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Grandma Jean. We miss you, we love you, and I pray for longevity and good health for you. Love you. Uy, senior ka na! Ikaw naman. Welcome to the Seniors Club! Ikaw naman. Ano sabi mo kay Kajin?
Senior na rin.
Happy birthday, Kajin! Love
May
you!
20% discount na rin.
Okay, bye-bye! Mama!
Anong sasabihin mo, ma?
Hindi happy birthday.
Halimbawa, ayan si Kajin. Anong sasabihin mo? Saan mo babatiin mo siya?
Hindi, maski basta hindi lang sila siya, basta yung sila yung mga nandun.
Sino?
Kamusta mo na yung mga kasama niya? Hindi ba sila doon? Pati sila tikaw, at least na.
Ano sasabihin mo kay Tajin?
Happy birthday!
Wala ka bang wish?
Sabihin mo, dapat marami ka pang birthday at makakita na siya doon. Para matawa naman. Hello, Tajin! Happy birthday, belated! Sana marami ka pang kaarawang dumating. At pag uwi mo, may partner ka na, ha? We have many more birthdays to come. Thank you. May litsunan ba?
Happy birthday, Jacqueline!
Bless.
Mama!
Go.
Happy birthday, Tajin! From the top of Indochina, Fancy Pan!
Hi! Happy birthday, amiga! Sorry, wala kami dyan on your 60th birthday. Besa nata, pag naguli ka, let's celebrate. I wish you good health. Na mga travel pa kita. Enjoy your birthday. And ingat perme. Love you.
Hi BFF! Happy birthday! Welcome to the club. Pag dito ka na sa Pinas, ma-enjoy ka na ang 20% discount at saka ang libreng sine. Magiriba na kita namin magkikita ng sine. Happy birthday Gilayon and wish ko si mo good health perme and more blessings to come. Love you. Cheers!
May the Lord bless and keep you. May His grace and His face to shine upon you. May the Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. And give you peace. Happy birthday to the G. We love you so much. Thank you for your always lagi mo open yung bahay ninyo para sa amin, sa buong pamilya ko, at especially sa aming mga anak. Tito Jing, thank you for the love that you give, at the Lord bless you and keep you abundant blessing in the name of Jesus, and good health and more birthday. We love you so much. See you soon, Tita Jing. I love you.
Hi to Jean, happy birthday. May the Lord bless you and continue to fulfill the desires of your heart. We love you as a family, and thank you for welcoming us always in your home and in your heart. We love you from the very start. Mwah. We love you. God bless you. Happy birthday, Tajin. We love you. Stay blessed, beautiful, and kind.